Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got another item from Jeff. No, it's not a radio, but it was a great deal. He got two of these for $5 each at a garage sale. And what this is a solar charger, battery charger. And we're going to take it out of the box right here. Self-contained. I think it had an option, but there was no room in this box, so I'm sure it didn't come with it, to have an external AC power supply for charging. There it is right there. This is the solar panel up here, big solar panel. You open it up like so. Okay, there we go. And there's where you can put the batteries. I've got two AA batteries. You can charge AA, AAA, C, and even D batteries. And when you put it out in the sun, which I did yesterday, the meter right here shows you, whoops, a lot of glare, shows you the charge rate. And I had it in direct sunlight, and it was pegged over here in the red. And on the box, it tells you the approximate charging rates per battery type. So AAA, it's 850 milliamp hours, takes 6 to 10 hours. AA, it's 850, takes 12 to 31 hours. C is 4,500 milliamp hours. It takes 31 to 62 hours. Now this is out in the sun, and D, it charges at, or it needs 10,000 milliamp hours, and it takes 69 to 138 hours. Whoa. And then it says GUM, G-U-M, 850 milliamp hours, 6 to 12 hours. I don't know what a GUM battery is. Anyway, that's what it is. Like I say, I did take it out yesterday in the sun for a few minutes, and it started charging those AA batteries. But like it indicates on the box, you're going to have to leave it out in the sun for quite a while. And I was in direct sunlight to get the maximum charge rate. So for instance, those AA batteries will take 12 to 31 hours in the sun. That's a lot. Anyway, I want to thank Jeff for loaning me this. It's pretty cool. Self-contained. Oh, on the back, it has a couple of things on the back I forgot to mention. There is a chart about charging rates and stuff like that. And it does have a little kickstand. If I can get my finger under there. There we go. There's a little kickstand so that if the sun is not directly overhead, you can put it on an angle like that and try to get as much sunlight as possible. Pretty nifty. I have just a couple more radios in this batch that Jeff brought me. And one I'm saving for last is a really neat radio, and that'll be coming up in a couple of days or next week maybe. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.